Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to give you a close-up look at the King Kenny Roberts Alpinestars Supertech R limited edition boots. Before I dive in and give you a closer look, I just got to tell you, I decided to keep these boots. I'm going to ride these boots this year. It had been a long time since I slid my foot into a brand new pair of Supertech R's, and the minute I did, I remembered exactly how great that felt. Probably felt a lot like that kid on the movie American Pie when his dad caught him with his junk in the warm apple pie. These are that comfortable. Focusing on the whole point here, which is just giving you a close-up look of the King Kenny Roberts boots. I mean, this guy is a true American icon, one of the greatest motorcycle racers of all time, and these are just to pay tribute to the man himself, King Kenny. There's his logo. I like the color scheme on it, the yellow, the black, the white. It's cool how up here in the front, when you look through the mesh, you see the yellow fabric, pretty cool. Screen printing here on the leather top. It does have a signature here. That is just a sticker. How long is that going to stay on the boot? It's hard to say. If you're really going to use these, you know, that may or may not be there the entire time. If you're going to put them on a shelf, you know, it'll be there intact for sure. Great pair of boots. So much so I decided to keep these. If you want a set, grab them before they're gone, because this is truly limited edition. There were only so many pairs brought into the US, and we have several here in stock right now at STG.